Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we would like to present our group project, which is OS installation. Before we present our group project, let me and my friend introduce ourselves first. My name is Nurul Adina binti Zulkifli and my number matric is 2022480054.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alamaisar binti Abdul Rashid and my matrix number is 2022869252.
My name is Lydia Hani binti Mas Nizam and my student ID number is 2022880114.
Hi, my name is Siti Nora binti Basri and my matrix card is 2022624168.
First, you need to search for download Windows 10 and click on the Microsoft option. Then scroll down until you find the download tool now and click on it. And it will download it for you and click on it after it done. Then wait for it to be load. And it's getting a few things ready for you. It will ask a few questions. Make sure you have a good network connection to download it. And it will show the notices and license terms, and click on accept after you have read it. And wait for the next things. And click on the second option, then click next. Click on the USB option, then click on next. Then you need to wait for it to be load, and you just need to wait until the progress is 100. And that's all for the step 1.
First, we go to Google and type VMware Workstation 17. After that, we choose the first one. And then we scroll until we found Workstation 70 Pro for Windows and click download now. Then we wait until it's 100% to download. And then we wait again. After that, we click next. And we will see the user license agreement and click I agree the term in the license agreement and click next. And we click next again. Next. Next. And we click install if we ready to install it. And we wait until the install has been done. That's all for installation of virtual machine.
Run your virtual machine and then create a new virtual machine. Choose the recommended one, which is the typical. And then choose the I will install the operating system later. And for guest operating system, choose the Microsoft Windows. And then next. And then choose the split virtual disk into multiple files. And then next. Check and then finish. And this is how your virtual run setting will look. Go on Edit Virtual Machine Settings to setting your virtual machine. Choose hard disk and then remove it, and then add a new one, hard disk. Choose hard disk and then next, choose the recommended, and then change to use a physical disk. And for a physical drive, you need to check your disk management first. So open your disk management and then check your drive, which one is your drive. So for my drive, it was in drive 1. So close and then choose drive 1 and then next and then finish. After that, go to option and choose advanced and change to BIOS if you use GPT format, and then click OK. And then you are ready to power on your virtual machine. So wait for a moment, wait for its loading. Okay, so for your setup, click next and then click install now. For this one, choose the I don't have a product key. And operating system, choose the Windows 10 Pro and then next. Read all the notice and license terms before click next. After read, click on I accept the license terms and then click next. Choose the custom install Windows only and then choose your partition and then next, and then wait for your Windows to install. And then wait for your device to getting ready. For your region, you need to choose your region. I choose Malaysia region. And then click yes. And then for keyboard layout, choose your keyboard layout and then click yes. Skip. Set up for personal use. I want to set up for personal use. And then I choose an offline account. Click limited experience for that. And then choose your name. For me, I write IMD163 and then click next. And then choose your password. Create the password. Then next, and then confirm your password. And for this one, you need to create security question. You need to choose 3 security questions. And you must remember all your answers. feel free to choose whatever question that you think you can remember the answer, and then click next, and then choose your privacy setting for your device. For me, I accept the recommended one, and then I customize my experience for entertainment, gaming, school, creativity, business, and business. I choose everything except for family, and then click accept, and then your virtual machine is getting in their way. Wait for a moment, and then your virtual machine is ready.
Click right and then click personalize. Once you click personalize, you will go into settings on background and then click themes. Once you click themes, you need to click desktop icon settings on related settings part. And then you can choose icon that you wanted. I choose computer, users file, network, recycle bin, and control panel. And then just click OK. And it will automatically appear on your home page of Windows of your PC. This is network. This is this PC and users file, and then recycle bin, lastly the control panel. Click on Windows and then search for System Information app. Once System Information app appears, just open or double click the System Information app. Once you open System Information app, you will see your PC system summary. And also, there are hardware resources, components, and software environment. Click right on this PC and then click manage. Once you click manage, there will be computer management appear, and then you need to click this management. Once you click this management, you can see this 0 and then you can see the C part. Click right on the C part and then click shrink volume. Once you click shrink volume, you need to wait for a moment, and then you can put the amount of space to shrink in MB and then click shrink. Once you click shrink, you need to wait for a moment again. And then there is black box appear and allocate the black box, and then click right on the black box. Click new simple volume, click next again, click next again until you see the finish button, click finish. And now you have a new volume. Click right on this PC, click properties, and then you will go to about, and then click advanced system settings on related settings part, and then click settings on performance, and then click advanced. After that, you can click change on virtual memory, and you can custom your memory size and click OK, and you're done. Click on Windows and then click setting, and then go to account, and then go to family and other users and click add someone else to this PC. And then you need to wait for a moment, and then click I don't have this person sign in information, and then add a user without a Microsoft account, and then fill in all those questions. I use IMD163 as the username. And don't forget to scroll down because there's another question down there. If you can't click next, it means that you didn't answer another question. And then click next. And then go to the setting and go to family and other users. Click on your account and then click on change account type, and then you can choose administrator as a user and then click OK. Once you click OK, your PC account will change into administrator. Click on files and then click on documents. Click right on documents you wanted to share with and then click properties and then click sharing and then click share. Choose the person you wanted to share document with. I choose IMD163. Click add and then you can change your permission level. I choose read or write and then click share again, and you need to wait for a moment. After that, you're done. Click search and then search for Task Manager and then open Task Manager app. Once you open, you can see all the processes of your PC. You also can see your PC performance, app history, startup, users, details, and your PC services. Click Windows and then click Settings and then click System. Once you click System, go to About and then click Rename this PC. And now you can rename your PC. I rename my PC as CDIM1102E and then click Next. Then you need to wait for a moment. After that, you can choose either to restart now or restart later.
To conclude, an operating system is an interface that helps a user connect and communicate with computer hardware, and it is an essential part of computing device. It also works in ensuring that different jobs and processes get allocated resources according to their requirement for a fixed amount of time based on their respective priorities.